Jeremy Allen White. Initially known for his tenure as Lip on the American version of Shameless, White would be propelled further into the limelight thanks to his latest hit show, The Bear. Playing the role of a chef, the actor found himself constantly adorned in a simple white t-shirt. Viewers took notice, tracking down the maker, to discover it was no simple Hanes shirt, rather a $105 Merz Bischwanen 2-thread heavyweight loop wheel cotton shirt. Now Zach, I thought this was a watch channel, not a fashion channel. Well, I've gone on this tangent to establish White's status as a bit of a style influencer, and as such, when appearing on the red carpet, he and his team have to ensure he is maintaining that status quo. And often, seen on his wrist is none other than the Vacheron Constantin Patrimony we are going hands-on with today. Like his loop wheel cotton shirts on the Bear, the Patrimony is a seemingly simple watch in expression, but ultimately meticulously crafted with attention to all details, whether visible or hidden. The modernly sized 40mm pink gold case is rounded and fully black polished with no sharp facets. Slim for an automatic watch with a date at just 8.55mm thick, this sloped and rounded bezel edge allows the watch to slide under a cuff with ease. Now, its lug to lug is 47mm across the wrist, which is by no means too large. But within the dress watch category, this gives the Patrimony a wrist presence that skews more contemporary than classic in dimension. While a pink gold watch, the opaline silver hue of the dial allows the watch to be very versatile. As expected, it will wear well with a suit or formal attire. But equally, the watch can be styled more casually with a simple white t-shirt and jeans. Now, with its 30 meters of water resistance, I am not suggesting you take laps with the watch on, but for a night out with mates or dates, it is entirely suited for the occasion. This Patrimony is very pure in expression, with thin and polished applied pink gold hour indices and small diamond polished gold beads serving as the external minute counter. In a straight line, working from 12 o'clock to 6 o'clock, you'll find the applied Maltese Cross Vacheron Constantin logo, 3 central stick hands conveying the hours, minutes, and seconds, and beneath, a 6 o'clock positioned, framed, black on white date complication which upholds the balance and symmetry of the dial. It is a timeless style arrangement in color that feels, again, more contemporary with its larger dial real estate. Flip the watch over and you will see exhibited the in-house automatic caliber 2450 Q6/3. The 40-hour time and date movement includes hacking seconds functionality and beats at a contemporary 4 Hz rate. At this point, every time I say contemporary, just take a shot. The caliber also notably bears the hallmark of Geneva, as it is exquisitely decorated to the standard befitting of a member of the Holy Trinity. Bridges are beautifully striped and beveled, with an open-work solid gold rotor that exhibits fine brushing, polishing, beveling, frosting, and engraving. Ultimately, this Vacheron Constantin Patrimony is effortlessly cool, timeless in its aesthetic, contemporary in its dimensions while being respectful of classic dress watch proportions. We can all argue and guess what the next color of the year is or what is the hot trend. Watches like this, however, never go out of fashion. Safe, yet smokin' in its appeal. Clearly I'm a fan, but let me know what you think about this Patrimony and what you would change, if anything, in the comments below. For me, if I had to change one thing, I would probably opt to swap its dark brown alligator strap for, say, a black, blue, or dark gray strap to further maximize its versatility. This configuration of the Vacheron Constantin Patrimony 85180 is available now for purchase with a retail price of 53,000 Australian dollars or 31,800 US dollars. Now, you know what would be as cool as Jeremy Allen White? If you hit that subscribe button for us. It would mean the absolute world, and we would love for you to be apprised of all of our latest videos. So, thanks for watching, and as always, I'll see you on the next one.